Most high ticket affiliate marketers fail because they get super excited and then they go to Google and they're like, high ticket affiliate marketing offer. And they literally choose the first thing that comes across their screen, and they don't know much about the product. They don't know much about the company that they're partnering with. And it ends up being the wrong kind of partnership or the wrong kind of product. So don't be one of them. Here are the 4 criteria you can use to make sure that you are choosing the right product and the right company to partner with. Hey, I'm McCall. Welcome back to part 4 of my Intro to High Ticket Affiliate Marketing series. And by now, you know why I'm such a fan of high ticket affiliate marketing, how high ticket affiliate marketing works, and why it's so powerful. So now you're like, I get it. I see the vision, but like, how? How do I actually choose which product, which company to partner with? And that is exactly what we are getting into in today's video. So let's dive in talking about how to choose the right product. And I would argue, even more importantly, the right company who owns that product and which red flags you need to avoid. So rule number 1, it pays at least $1,000 in commissions. If you've made it this far into the series, you know I'm a huge fan of paid ads. I think it's one of the greatest return on investments that we can have in online business today. But it only makes sense if you are making substantial profit. And so I would say the profit number of your commission needs to be $1,000 or more, right? We are not here for $27 commissions. We're not here for $7 commissions. Like, if you're selling a $20 product, you need hundreds of sales in order to make even just $1,000 a month. But if you're selling a product that's between $1,000 and $5,000, one sale can help you meet your income goals for the entire month. What sets high ticket affiliate marketing apart is that you are rewarded per conversion. So you don't need just a huge number of sales volume. You just need 1 or 2 profitable conversion. Rule number 2 is that when you're choosing a product, it needs to come with proven marketing materials already available to you. So unless you are a full-time copywriter or designer, which definitely not, you're going to want to choose a product and company that comes with the following: strong converting funnels, email and swipe copy, landing pages, and web classes or videos covering frequently asked questions that all have strong conversions already. Do not reinvent the wheel, just promote what is already working. I think people get so I don't know, they feel like they have to start from scratch. You just need to choose a company and a product that already have proven and converting sales materials that you can then just plug and play into a system and get going from day 1. Rule number 3 is that it has a sales team that either closes with you or for you or teaches you strong closing techniques, or that is going to take the time to mentor you and train you up on strong closing techniques. In my opinion, this is one of the hidden gems and the absolute keys to being successful in the high ticket space that is oftentimes missing. Some people might call this mentorship or training that's going to come with the community that you're part of, but closing cannot be overstated. Closing just means when someone's purchasing a high ticket product, right? They want to talk to someone. They want to know that they're buying from someone real, like not a robot. You're going to need to know how to answer the questions and just talk like a human. And for some reason, people just get so weirded out about this. They're like, I don't want to have to talk to someone. At the end of the day, they've already gone through all of your material and they know about the product. They're going to have a few questions and kind of just need to work out the logistical kinks. And you're going to need someone to show you how to present yourself and how to talk and be a real human when you're meeting with people. This is something that I just see missed, and why people end up not being successful in their high ticket space is they're given the email copies and the funnels and all the tech stuff is there. And then they get their first person who wants to potentially buy their product, but they have just a few last questions and they hop on the call and then they freeze. You need someone there that's going to be either on the call with you, or they're going to teach you how, or you can just let them do it. One of those. Just make sure that someone is there to support you in final stage of conversion when it comes to someone actually purchasing your product. And criteria number 4, you need to choose a product that you actually believe in. Now, it doesn't mean that you have to already know about the product, but if you are not into working out and you're going to choose a high ticket exercise equipment to sell, then it's going to be pretty obvious in the email that you're sending, or when you do talk to someone about making that actual sale, it's going to be pretty obvious. And so again, you don't have to already know about it. Just in the realm, choose in the realm. Like for me, I'm into health and wellness. That's why the high ticket product that I sell is in the health and wellness space. It's about elevating the health of families. I want to improve everyone's health and do so in something that they just have to be doing every single day. And that's why I chose the product that I did. I believe in the product. I believe in the company. I could sit here and just talk about it all day. You don't have to know about it already before you go and choose a product. Just make sure that it's going to align with your values, what you're interested in, so that you can be in this for the long haul. When you are in alignment with the product or the service that you're selling, business feels like purpose and not like pressure. It just feels so good when you are excited about the thing that you're selling. Again, you don't have to already be excited, but could you be? Does it match your values? Does it match your interest? So for me, when I was choosing which high ticket product to promote, it checked all of these boxes. It came with high commissions. It came with a sales funnel that I could just plug into straight away. It came with training and mentorship. And it was something that I was absolutely just stoked about and in alignment with because it matched my values and my interests. This is what allows you to start earning high commissions from day one without being glued to your phone 24/7 or trying to become an influencer or something like that. You do not need to sell your soul to sell something online. You just need the right strategy and the right product. That combination together is quite literally magic. It's just unstoppable. So you might be like, okay, that's great, but like, how do I actually find these products? What's the next step? I have 2 free resources you can check out. The first is my free ebook, The High Ticket Formula, your step-by-step guide to earning 4-figure commissions online. Or if you're more of a video person, I have a completely free 30-minute web class. It's actually hosted by my personal 7-figure mentor, Samara. She's earned millions doing this exact business model. And so she spends 30 minutes just bringing you through start to finish on how she did that and how you can too. So make sure to come with like a notepad and a pencil or a pen and take notes in that 30 minutes. And so if you're a video person, I highly, highly recommend that web class down below. So both of those resources are linked down below. Now you know the 4 criteria to use when evaluating high ticket offer. And in part 5, we're going to talk about all things automated systems. So either check out one of those free resources in the link in the description below, or I will see you in part 5.